Fluid Warmer is designed to warm and maintain the temperature of infusion fluids safely during patient care. The DEXUP Portable Infusion Warmers, including both single-channel and double-channel models. This device is designed to warm and maintain the temperature of infusion fluids safely during patient care. Why to use a fluid warmer? During infusion or transfusion, cold fluids can reduce the patient's body temperature and may contribute to discomfort or hypothermia. The DEXUP Fluid Warmer helps maintain fluid temperature between 32 degrees Celsius and 43 degrees Celsius for safer and more comfortable infusion therapy. Maintains patient comfort. Helps prevent hypothermia. Supports safe fluid administration. Accurate temperature control. Portable and easy to use. The device provides precise temperature control with 0.1 degree adjustment and rapid heating performance. Application areas. The DEXUP Fluid Warmer can be used in various medical environments, including operation theaters, intensive care units, emergency departments, recovery rooms, general wards, ambulance and transport care. It is intended for warming infusion fluids in clinical settings. Not suitable for warming. Chemotherapy drugs, insulin, analgesics, temperature-sensitive medications. Product overview. The DEXUP Fluid Warmer is available in single-channel model S-Series and double-channel model D-Series. The system consists of warming unit with touchscreen display, silicone heating tube, power adapter, power cord. The touchscreen display allows temperature adjustment, operation monitoring, and alarm indication. How to use step by step. Before use, check the main unit and cables for damage. Ensure the device is securely attached to a stable IV stand. Keep the minimal distance between silicone tube and patient to reduce the heat loss. The recommended distance is less than 15 centimeters. Connect the power cord to the power adapter, ensuring it is securely fastened. Plug the instrument's power cord into a well-grounded power outlet and switch on the power supply. Turn on the main power switch of the instrument and the instrument will begin its self-test. Once the self-test is completed, the instrument will enter standby mode. The operation indicator light will flash green slowly and the display screen will be operable via touch. For single-channel warmer, it is necessary to connect the heating tube wires to the main unit's channel connector. When connecting, please ensure that the wires are inserted in the direction indicated by the markings on the connector. For the single-channel and double-channel model, gently press the infusion tube into the heating tube groove. After connecting, secure the heating tube onto the heating tube fixation device. When the instrument is in standby mode, the on-off button displays off, and the operation indicator light on the screen flashes green slowly. Gently press the on-off button and the button will change to on. The operation indicator light on the screen will stay solid green and the instrument will start running according to the default parameters. After powering on and starting the operation, press the temperature adjustment buttons forward and backward to set the desired temperature. The temperature adjustment range is from 32 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius with a step of 0.1 degrees Celsius. As shown on the device, current temperature displays fluid temperature before heating starts and set temperature displays real-time temperature of heater's surface. The default set temperature is 36.5 degrees Celsius. Press and hold the forward and backward button to quickly increase or decrease the set temperature. Equipped with a built-in timer, it can monitor and accurately record the heating duration for the equipment, facilitating usage monitoring and maintenance. SRT shows standard running time of the equipment. Gently press the on-off button until the display shows off. The main unit will then cool down and enter standby mode. Safety and alarm system. The DEXUP Fluid Warmer includes visual and audible alarm systems for patient safety. If an alarm occurs, heater high temperature, heater overheating, heating system malfunction, heater low temperature. Then turn off the power switch, wait for 10 seconds, and then restart the machine. If the fault persists, please discontinue use and promptly contact after-sales service or technical support personnel. If an alarm occurs, heater not connected, then connect or reconnect the heater. Cleaning and maintenance. Before cleaning, switch off the device. Use a soft damp cloth with approved neutral cleaner. Never immerse the device in liquid. Do not sterilize using steam or harsh chemicals. Under normal use and maintenance, the expected service life of the device is 5 years. DEXUP Fluid Warmer, safe, reliable, and efficient fluid warming technology.